A lot of that from the pressure gradient wind. So winds unrelated to thunderstorms yesterday. A lot of trees came down, and we will keep some pressure gradient winds in the forecast through the rest of the day today. That's why we have an impact day. Wind advisory lasts through 3 p.m. this afternoon. Not as windy as yesterday, but at times we could still gust from 30 to 40 miles per hour. That means there could be a few small additional tree limbs that come down, and that could lead to some sporadic power outages. Just make sure that you still have those loose objects secured in your yard. Here's the system now. So all of the chance of severe weather now moving up the east coast of the United States. On the backside of this system, dealing with heavy snow, blizzard conditions in some instances. For us, we're getting some of that wraparound moisture, so we are cloudy today, and we'll see a few very low impact sprinkles from time to time. This is what our wind gusts look like right now. So we are gusting up to 29 in Birmingham. Same story in Haleyville. 31 mile per hour gust in Talladega. Alabaster gusting to 26. We will keep those elevated wind speeds at times through the rest of the day. That's why we've got the wind advisory through 3 p.m. And of course, once again, that's why we have an impact day today. So let's time out the rest of the day in terms of your wind gusts. This is a look at noon, and we're still gusting anywhere from 20 to 30. As we get towards the later part of the afternoon, there is a brief window where we could gust above 30 in some instances, gusting to 32 in Springville around 3 p.m., gusting to 29 in Tuscaloosa at that point. As we approach dinner time, still gusting to 30, but we're dropping below that wind advisory criteria. It will still be breezy at times into the later part of this evening, and you'll notice a bit of a breeze early tomorrow morning as well. Of course, talking about winds, we also have to talk about our temperatures because we've got cooler air moving in and it's still very gusty, so that adds to the wind chill. Here's our current wind chill across central and north Alabama. We feel more like 36 degrees right now in Haleyville. Feels like 44 in Coleman and Jasper, feeling like 43 in Fayette. Birmingham feeling like 51. Through the rest of the day, that cooler air keeps filtering in. We keep those elevated wind speeds, so we're going to feel more like the 30s and low 40s later this afternoon, and that is a noticeable drop from the 70s we had yesterday. By 7 p.m., we're feeling like the 30s almost everywhere, and early tomorrow morning, we will have temperatures that drop into the 30s, but we're going to feel more like the 20s when you do factor in those gusts. Now, that's below wind advisory criteria, but just know it is going to feel noticeably chillier early tomorrow morning as you're headed out to work or school. Let's take a closer look at our 7-day forecast. For today, windy, cooler. We've got the clouds around, a low chance for a few sprinkles. Tomorrow, we get a return of sunshine. We start the day in the 30s, ending up in the mid-50s. It is going to feel very chilly tomorrow morning. A bit warmer on Friday with highs climbing into the middle and upper 60s. It's going to be a dry day for us, though. We do see the chance for some showers at times over the weekend, but at this point, it does not appear to be a weekend washout.